All right, guys, I am headed to El Paso. Let's start the trip and let's see what I can catch on camera on the way there. Let's go. Hey, Taylor-tots, welcome back to Justice is Served. So I obviously traveled in yesterday, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video of my journey. So I'm sitting at my storage unit waiting for one of my fabulous divas, Diana, to get here so she can grab some things to go drop off in store. But I wanted to do not my full journey of going because obviously there's going to be limitations on how much I can film and talk and all that kind of stuff in the middle of the airport. And I'm sure everybody's going to be on high alert from the issue that happened at the Love Field, I think it was, airport with the person that, you know, came out and did what she did with a firearm. Not going to go into the details. If you want to know what happened, just know that 2 days ago, somebody went in to Love Field Airport and just Google that and it will tell you every single detail. But yeah, so it's a beautiful day. I'm sure that it's going to be a gorgeous flight. I'm so excited when I get there. So my counterpart is going to be flying with me, and so is Amy, my other counterpart. So we're going to be getting it together, girl. Oh, she's here, girl. She is here. Diana has pulled up. Let's see if she wants to be on camera. Girl, now she brought one and I got one. I ain't even mad at it. I'm thirsty. You want to be on camera, girl? Do you want to be on camera? Nothing. I'm just letting them know that you're the fabulous diva that's joining. Hey, girl. She always has the most flawless. Yeah, she's the bomb. She brought coffee. Third. Oh, girl, and stirred. You already... See, she already knows the shade of everybody coming in and not stirring this girl. But yeah, Diana's the bomb.com, girl. Don't let her tell you any different. She's the one that got, well, her and Alina both got me the fabulous wine cork that was the giraffe, girl, the giraffe. You said you would actually drink that? Well, I mean, the thing is I have this one and I've got my flight. So I don't know if I can drink two before the flight. You only slept 2 hours. Girl, I cannot. Okay, let me get the juicy details. Let me get off of here, and then I will film when I'm heading to the airport, and then, of course, when we get there, and then on the way to El Paso. All right, see you soon.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just don't be my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
Alright guys, we are here. As you can see, Amy is over here Instagramming the house down.
She's taking
Christine, and then of course myself, you know, with my very nude lip gloss. But you know what? It's hot here. It's hot. No, it's a dry heat. It's dry as my personality. But you know, look. I cannot. All right, so I wanted to get some while we actually got in here. We're gonna take, I'm gonna take some B-roll as we go.
Yes.
Take some B-roll as we get in the car to go with the Uber. So we'll see what ends up happening, girl. They said it was gonna be here in 10 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, and you know, I'm hot, girl, I'm hot. We ain't got time for this. So,
Sugar hot girl.
Hang on, let's get in the light, Carol Ann. Look.
What? Who are you?
Did you see that? I like technically vanished just then. You know, I think it's all about the highlight and the lack of contour. And the black is very slimming. And I look thinner and thinner as she steps away from me. I can't stand you, girl.
You look
I can't stand you. Oh yeah, the lady told me to condense my bag, so I had to put her in her.
She did?
Yeah, that's what she told me to pull up to the side. She goes, you need to condense. And I said,
But you can have 2 bags, you know that. She's lying.
And that. Girl, the shade was real.
Oh, okay.
Girl,
okay.
What are you filming right now?
Oh, no.
Girl, this is not that kind of show. I cannot. No. Give me this back. Tell them, say hello. My name is Amy Ceesay. She makes fun of how I say her name because she is a supermodel. Please follow her on Instagram, Twitter. You don't have Twitter, do you? Oh wait, YouTube, Facebook. She don't really use Facebook either, girl. That's for people that read. We don't do that anymore. No, we just want pictures, girl. We ain't got time for it. All right, well, this Uber is on the way. We're over it. All right, it is a beautiful day here, and as you can tell, we're probably gonna go that direction where it's like dark, girl. All right, let me see if this Uber is almost here.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
To see the inside of the hotel room, so let's go to the master bedroom first. For some reason, because we're not Marriott Rewards, we got such a gorgeous view, as you can tell. We're on the 2nd floor, girl. You know, I made sure that we could splurge to get the highest and most sickening view. I'm just kidding, girl. We are on the 2nd floor, but it's all good. I really don't care. It don't bother me none. Cause I'm like, girl, this room is to sleep in and to shower, and that's it. Hey, look at a girl getting thinner. She ain't skinny, but she's trying. Super cute. When you're here, we're at A-Loft. Super duper cute here. You slide this way and you have, ta-da! How cute is that? The shower. Oh, good, it's a big shower. So last time I was here, I slid and almost fell in the shower. It was bad. And of course, if you want to sit on the toilet and have a view, this is what you get to see. Look, and then get to see them. And literally sitting on the toilet, girl. I'm just saying. I love the A-Loft Hotel. It is so chill. It's trendy enough to where it's not like too crazy, but I live for it. But Okay guys, well, I am gonna hop off of here. We're here, I'll make some videos while we're here. I'm hanging out. We're gonna do dinner tonight. So just depending on how it goes, I may add dinner into it, but I may put that for tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow's video. Yeah, tomorrow's video. But thank you again for your all your love and support for my video on my way to get coffee this morning, or yesterday morning. But thank you again. I love you so much. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it, girl. People need to see it, and they're not gonna see it unless you share it. All right, guys. Love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mwah.